weekend activity made hundreds of people millionaires overnight. Wanna know how? These cute dogs and memes that we all love, especially the ones on a coin, have provided gains of over 3000% in the last few months. Let's see how these two meme coins, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, travel to the moon. What is Dogecoin? Two guys, Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus, who love the famous Doge internet meme, wanted to make it famous. So they created a copy of an existing coin called Litecoin and tweaked it to give a fun dog-based vibe. This process of making a copy of an existing crypto coin and tweaking it to create a new product is called a fork. This fork called Dogecoin was never meant to be taken seriously or have a huge market cap. It was created by crypto enthusiasts just to have fun. Dogecoin was used mainly on Reddit for tipping. Since it had a super low cost, Redditors started micro-tipping each other as a token of appreciation for their efforts. And that's how Dogecoin became famous on Reddit. After the whole scene of Redditors pumping GameStop in the last quarter of 2020, Dogecoin became popular again, especially because meme crypto lord Elon Musk started tweeting about it. Other internet personalities like Snoop Dogg followed this by posting about Dogecoin too. And then this meme crypto coin blew out of proportion and entered the top 10 cryptos by market share. And this made a lot of money for early memers holding the coin and attracted masses to invest into crypto. This coin went from tipping Redditors to donations for good causes, strengthening the fun vibe of Dogecoin. What is Shiba Inu token? With the massive success of a dog-based meme coin, in came Shiba Inu token, which claimed to be a Doge killer. Let's see what this Doge killer had up its sleeve. While doing our research, we realized that most people look for Shiba Inu coin, which is misleading as it is a token. Let us explain the difference. From our previous two videos, you might already know what a blockchain is. Bitcoin is a blockchain, Ethereum is a blockchain, our India's own Polygon is a blockchain, and even Dogecoin has its own blockchain. Each blockchain has a coin from where Ether, Matic and Dogecoin come. On some of these blockchains, there exist tokens that act like a coin, but are not a coin as they do not help the blockchain, but just use its power, features and security. Shiba Inu is a token on the Ethereum blockchain, created by an anonymous person going by the name Ryoshi and calling itself the Dogecoin killer. Let's understand why Shiba Inu claims to be a Dogecoin killer. As Dogecoin was a fork of Litecoin and started as a meme. It did not have the ability to use smart contracts, whereas the Shiba Inu token, being on Ethereum, can leverage smart contracts to create its utility, like allowing you to lend it out to others, swap it for other tokens, create dApps and more. Shiba Inu is able to do a few extra things that Dogecoin is not, so it claims to be the Dogecoin killer. Shiba Inu tried various marketing hacks to gain traction, like sending half of the tokens to Vitalik, who is the creator of Ethereum. As you may recollect from our previous video, he donated 10% of these tokens to charity and burnt 90% of them. They also got famous TikTok creators on board to make people buy the tokens and raise its popularity. They also rewarded Shiba Inu holders who deposited their tokens in bank-like pools called liquidity pools. Comment down below if you want us to explain what liquidity pools are and how you can make money with them. This caught on and the price exponentially rose in the last 5 months, taking another meme cryptocurrency into top 15 coins by market cap. Let's look at how both coins use psychology to attain growth and how you, as a responsible investor, should be mindful of this while making a decision. Both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu token have kept their prices super low in fractions of a penny. This made a lot of new investors feel like they're getting in early, and if these coins ever reach the price of a Bitcoin, they'll make a fortune, which is absolutely false. Let's understand how price is actually determined. It is the market cap divided by circulating supply. Today in December 2021, the market cap of Shiba Inu is 26 billion and a price of $0.000045. To reach a price of $1, it would need a market cap of $575 trillion, which is more than 145 times the GDP of India. Similarly, for Dogecoin to reach $100, it would need a market cap of $15 trillion, which is if the supply remains constant. This just explains how the true nature of a coin's growth is market cap and not its price. Hence, be mindful while investing. Make sure to judge the market cap and not the coin price. We at Flint do not invest in meme tokens and coins from a financial standpoint. And if you wish to do so, please do your own research. And as always, feel free to drop your questions down in the comment section or ask them on our Twitter, Flint.money. If this new and smart money excites you, come explore ways to generate wealth through crypto. Explore Flint.money to earn up to 13% interest per annum. If you're liking what you're watching, subscribe to our YouTube channel.